Again, welcome. This is Monty, once again from DPL Surveillance Equipment. Today we're going to be taking a look at, well, before I get to that, today we're going to first let you know who we are and what we do and what we're all about. We're DPL Surveillance Equipment, the premier company in the industry, offering 24/7, 365 tech support, customer guarantees, and warranties on all of the products. And we don't give out refunds, but for life you'll be covered on your products. And if you have a problem with your products, more likely if we can't resolve it over the phone, you'll send it back to us and we'll replace it with a completely new one. Having said that, we also have the largest inventory of rentable surveillance and security equipment, so you can rent the same equipment. Short-term applications you may want to rent or considering at least rent to own. Okay, try out the products for a few days under the rental program and then convert it to a purchase. Okay, after determining whether or not you actually get some use out of the product, then you can go ahead and buy it from us. Okay, so it's our rent to own or try before you buy program. So having said all that, today we're going to get right into the product that we're going to be talking about today. This particular product is an RF detector frequency counter. Use this particular device when you have wireless cameras, audio bugs, tracking devices hidden on your vehicle. It has a telescoping antenna here, so you can take that work and to your own place of business for that matter, and bring it home with you and do a sweep of your home. Okay, do a sweep of the various rooms, cars, automobiles again, and find out whether or not there's any tracking devices. Find out whether or not there's any audio listening devices, bugging devices rather, or even wireless cameras with your RF detector frequency counter. Now it scans from 30 megahertz all the way up to 2.7 gigahertz. So any listening device, wireless camera, or tracking device within that range, this is going to pick it up. Okay. So again, if you've ever worried about transmitters, wireless cameras, or tracking devices, go to our website. Go to detection devices. Look for the RF detector frequency counter. Rent it for I think $75 a week, or buy it for $275.95 from the website. Okay, and again, if you have a temporary problem, you want to rent our detection equipment, then go ahead and rent it. If you have a particular concern about making sure that you have this product on hand, permanently, then you buy it and keep it in your as your toolkit, so to speak. Private investigators, our private investigator customers, law enforcement, intelligence agencies, all of them get the RF detector frequency counter as part of their basic toolkit. You can't consider yourself a counter surveillance expert without having an RF detector frequency counter. And this is a premier unit. It actually tells you visually on the display screen what the power output or the frequency range is of the potential bug that you found. When this unit starts to narrow in on the potential bug, when this LED indicator right here on the right hand side, when it starts to light up, okay, that means that you pretty much isolated a particular bug, and it actually shows you on the screen by way of the LED indicator. It's going to show you right now. It's vibrating in my hand, and the LED indicator is lit up. Okay, you see that light coming on? That's what's going to happen when you are in the presence of a bug. The LED indicator is going to light up, and the frequency display is going to start to narrow in on the specific frequency or power output of the hidden transmitter, wireless camera, or tracking device. That's when you know that you're right on top of it, and at that point you need to consider removing that suspected bug, wireless camera or transmitter or tracker, or at least knowing that you found it, knowing how to devise your strategy after that fact. Sometimes when you find a bug, you just want to leave it in place and pretend like you didn't find it, and just work your counter approach, knowing that it's there. You got to be careful. You'll be careful from that point on in terms of what you do, what you say, unless you want to plant something, plant some conversation, plant some sort of ideas, so to see if it gets back to you. Okay, that's called counter surveillance. Okay, So anyway, this has been Monty from DPL Surveillance Equipment bringing to you one of the most state-of-the-art RF detector frequency counters on the market. This one actually shows you on the display screen what the power output or the frequency is of the particular bug that you found, and that way you can let us know what you found. Press the hold button here and lock in on that frequency so that when you call us or email us, you can tell us what you found, okay, by way of the numerical value. Again, this unit it has a rechargeable battery, and and it also comes with the AC adapter. Okay, plug this into the wall and this other end into the unit here and charge it up. Okay, and the specs on the unit as far as how long it stays charged, couple of hours, 2 or 3 hours at least, maybe 4 to 5 between chargers. Okay, so again, this has been Monty from DPL Surveillance Equipment, bringing you one of the most state-of-the-art RF detector frequency counters. Go to our website, go to detection devices, and find this particular product and buy it or rent it, and take care of your bug-related, wireless camera-related, GPS tracking device-related problems with the RF detector frequency counter. Okay, it's been a pleasure having you guys join us in this particular session, and we look forward to having you again on the next session. Okay, have a great day. Thanks. Take care. Bye.